She dines at noon, breakfast at 12. It's hard to know when you find her in bed. At night she's looking wide awake at all the things she wants to name. But halfway through the afternoon, she always falls asleep too soon. Her house is full of broken clocks. She keeps neatly inside a box. I wonder how she can be so screwy. Her diary is a few years old. It's empty and has many holes. She never keeps or makes appointments. You wonder why she thinks she shouldn't. I want to ask her when she wants to bet she can. She's upside down in her head. She wakes up day and night. She's sunbathed in moonlight. She's upside down in her head. Even her closest friends, none of them can understand. She used to have a nice boyfriend. Oh, the boy you must treat well. The young man who was very much in love. He asked her to go on the date. He booked a nice table for 8 when she got in the restaurant. Past midnight in around the piano.
La cucina è un gioco di squadra perché se ti limiti a fare un piatto senza coinvolgere le persone che stanno con te, non c'è quella condivisione che ti porta a creare un piatto davvero straordinario.
Thank you.